You don't need a six-figure salary to become financially free. Seriously. Some of the wealthiest people I know don't earn big. They just know how to make every dollar work like a team. In this video, I'm giving you a step-by-step plan to transform your finances in just 6 months. The same strategy thousands have used to go from stress to secure. Hey, I'm Ace. On this channel, we simplify personal finance so you can take control, build wealth, and live life on your terms. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, this plan will change everything. Month 1. Face the numbers. Let's talk about the ostrich effect, that moment when you avoid checking your bank balance after a weekend of spending. Sound familiar? You're not alone. But when you finally face your finances, anxiety turns into clarity. Here's what to do. Step 1. Calculate your core net income, that is your monthly take-home pay. Fundamental expenses like rent, bills, groceries, transport. Now imagine future you, how much you're saving and how much you are investing. Fun spending, leftover money you enjoy life with. This snapshot is your financial mirror. Don't be discouraged, awareness is the first win. Month 2. Build your safety net. Now that you know your numbers, your first goal is to build a small safety net, just 1 month of essential expenses. If your basic bills like rent, food, transport, and phone add up to $2,000 a month, that's how much you need to save. This isn't a full emergency fund yet. It's just a cushion so you're not living paycheck to paycheck. Here's how to get it done fast. Pause non-essential spending for a few weeks, skip takeout, cancel a few subscriptions, delay shopping sprees. Sell stuff you don't use, old electronics, and used clothes, furniture. Put every extra dollar into this goal, even $10 or $20 at a time. Your only job this month is to hit that number. Once you do, life already feels a bit lighter. Month 3. Attack bad debt. Build security. Here's where most people spin their wheels, trying to save and pay off debt without a plan. Step 1. Rank your debts by interest rate. Focus on anything above 8%. Credit cards, consumer loans, and attack the highest first. Use leftover money from your month 1 budget and throw it at that debt until it's gone. Once done, start building your emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of expenses. If your job is secure, aim for 3 months. If not, go for 6. Keep it in a high-interest savings account, not under your mattress. Month 4. Start investing. Now that you've got breathing room, it's time to grow. Investing isn't just for rich people. It's for anyone who wants to stop trading time for money. Here's how to start smart. Max out employer match. Use tax-advantaged accounts. Stick to index funds, ETFs, S&P 500, total market index. Most pros can't beat the market, so don't try to. Let the market grow your money while you sleep. And don't wait until your emergency fund is full, do both together. Start 70% saving, 30% investing. Then shift to 50%. Month 5. Grow your income. Here's the truth. You can only cut back so far. But your income? That's unlimited. This month is about earning more. Ask for a raise. Apply for better paying jobs. Switch roles if you need to. When I worked in investment banking, I made my biggest income jumps by changing jobs, not waiting for a promotion. Or start a side hustle. Freelance. Sell a skill. Even an extra $300 per month can double your investing rate. Your job should either pay you more or teach you more. If it's doing neither, it's time to move on. Month 6. Automate and optimize. You've done the hard part. Now make it effortless. Why? Because of decision fatigue. When life gets hectic, we default to what's easiest. And usually, that means skipping savings or blowing budgets. So here's what to automate. Direct debits for bills, loans, rent. Auto transfers for savings, investing, retirement. Use a fund money card/account for guilt-free daily spending. When it's automated, you remove the need for willpower. And that's the real hack. Finally, review everything. Has your income changed? Are your goals still aligned? Adjust your plan every 3 to 6 months and stay ahead. Financial freedom isn't about being perfect. It's about making progress. So if this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more weekly guides on building a life that works for you, not the other way around. See you in the next video, right here on Finance with Ace. You are a genius.